Welcome back. We're standing next to a sign that says Longmont Reservoir. Little guy right here. Some people rock climbing down the way. But I'm gonna go up this road to the next reservoir. Yeah, it's a fucking nature show. Welcome back. My advice for you is to just go with the flow. You know, sometimes you gotta swim upstream, but mostly, you know. Well, that's it. We made it to the Button Rock Reservoir. It's beautiful up here. Hopefully you enjoyed the journey and the adventure. Yeah. Uh, it's a fucking nature show.